Buckle up because we're diving into the iconic 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a car that didn't just race the competition, but left them in the dust. The 1960s were the golden era of American muscle cars, with the Pontiac GTO igniting a revolution in 1964. Muscle cars became the epitome of speed, power, and style. From the compact Chevy Camaro and Ford Mustang to the heavyweight champions like the Chevy Chevelle and Ford Galaxy. But while horsepower and torque often stole the show, one car dared to push the limits of RPMs like never before. In 1967, Chevrolet responded to Ford's Mustang with the debut of the Camaro, determined to make a statement in both the showroom and on the racetrack. Enter the Camaro Z28, a car engineered to compete in the SCCA Trans Am series. Under its hood lay a 302 cubic inch V8, a marvel of engineering that combined the best of Chevy's small blocks. This engine wasn't just powerful, it was a screamer, capable of reaching an ear-splitting 7,000 revolutions per minute. The 302 V8 wasn't built from scratch. It was a clever fusion of the 327 block and a 283 crankshaft, enhanced with premium components like domed pistons, Corvette-derived camshaft, and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. Chevy's creation delivered 290 horsepower at 5,300 revolutions per minute, though with some tweaks, it could easily hit 350 horsepower when pushed to its limit. This made the Camaro Z28 the highest revving muscle car of its time. But the Z28 package wasn't just about a high-revving engine. It came with a 4-speed manual transmission, stiffened suspension, quick ratio steering, and power front disc brakes, all working together to ensure the Camaro wasn't just fast in a straight line, but a beast in the bends too. For those seeking raw, high-revving excitement in the 60s, the Camaro Z28 was the ultimate ride. It's a car that not only defined an era, but set a new standard for what a muscle car could be.